What if your ERP could use a real mobile phone to send SMS, receive replies, and track calls automatically? In most businesses, calls and SMS stay stuck on a phone. That means missed follow-ups, no traceability, and zero automation. SMS Mobile API turns your mobile phone into a communication layer your software can access through one dashboard and one API. It's simple. Your system connects to SMS Mobile API, and SMS Mobile API connects to your mobile phone. From your ERP or CRM, you can send and receive SMS replies directly in your system and synchronize all call events automatically. Plus, SMS Mobile API is already connected to a multitude of services like WooCommerce, Shopify, Zapier, Python, Composer, and even ChatGPT. Install the app on the phone, grant permissions, then connect your system using simple HTTP requests. Your business workflows are now automation ready. Perfect for sales, support, and logistics. Anywhere communication needs to become trackable and automatable. Synchronization remains user-controlled, with manual sync available whenever you need it. Connect your ERP to real mobile data today. Visit SMSMobileAPI.com and experience the power of SMS Mobile API.